Hey everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today I want to talk to you about how we approach and emerge onto a motorway. So when you're coming down a slip road towards the motorway, it's important that we check our centre and right door mirror to check what's on our right hand side, but it's also a good idea to have a glance over your right shoulder to the blind spot to check what's also there. A signal at this point to the right will let everybody know that you are wanting to join onto the motorway. Now hopefully there will be a gap in the motorway for you to move into and there'll be no cars in the way. Sometimes though there may be lots of traffic in that lane, and if they haven't dropped back and left you space or moved into the other lane, then you're going to have to ease off of the accelerator and drop in behind them if it is safe to do so. Remember that the traffic that is on the motorway, although it is kind of them to move over or slow down, they don't actually have to, and that they do have priority over the traffic that is joining from the slip road. Hope you found that information useful. Please give it a like, a comment or share. Or if you want more videos the same, then go to our YouTube channel, The Driving Theory Workshop, or you can join our online theory course by visiting www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.